Good morning. We're doing a what I eat in a day today, but I'm gonna do vlog style, so I'll take you through my day and what I'm eating. It's the morning right now. We just made a smoothie. I have a blog post on this smoothie if you want to recreate it. It's a really good, nutritious smoothie. But first, we're gonna make coffee. Joey's making the bed. I am partnered with Nespresso on this video. Been partnered with them for a while. You guys know I love Nespresso coffee. But they came out with these new On Ice capsules, which I felt like I was like missing out on cold coffee. So they came out with some On Ice capsules, and I'm gonna show you how to make one. It's hot. It's like the perfect way to start your morning, super refreshed. So we're just gonna put some ice in this little shaker cup. Take our, oh no. Take our capsule, put it in. So I'm just pouring it into a cup. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add a bit of, don't want my mess, add a bit of water. Just because I don't put like milk or anything in my coffee. I drink my coffee blacks, and I think the water just like gives me a little more coffee, and I like it like that. So that's the coffee. It's delicious. It's cold. You could add more ice if you wanted as well, but this is breakfast for me, these 3 little guys. I usually have more water in this. I've already just drank some, but water, coffee, smoothie every morning. Okay, I already got like mostly ready. I've already showered. My hair is just natural, and then I put my foundation and everything on. I am so pale right now. Oh my god, I need to get a spray tan. I'm getting one on Monday, so just pale for now. You can hear Joey making one. Foundation I've been using, I've actually been using the Benefit Hello Happy Soft Blur in number 2, because that's how pale I am. I really like it. It gives a really nice finish, lasts a long time. Using the Glossy Lash Slick for mascara. It's just like a perfect everyday mascara, and it comes off really easily, like when you're washing your face, and that's what I like in a mascara. But since I'm just kind of running, I'm just doing like uncle stuff today, I don't really need to like look great. I always just kind of wear jeans and the shirt inside out. The shirt's inside out. I always just kind of like wear jeans and a t-shirt because my clothes end up usually getting dirty, so we're always like lifting boxes and doing that kind of stuff. Basically ready for the day. Having a weird hair day. I don't know what's going on. It's still wet, so we'll see how it goes. We'll see. Since I'm gonna be going uptown to work, I'm bringing a lunch. This is just my leftovers from my HelloFresh meal. I'm just gonna add some sriracha to it. My net bag. I'm scared it's gonna come undone. Should I put this in a plastic bag?
I
feel like such an asshole when I don't have grocery bags. I usually don't get them anymore.
Right.
I feel like such an asshole when I go to the grocery store and I don't have bags on me and I have to get plastic bags. And I'm like, I just should. The whole biodegradable like shopping bags. It's because they're not as cheap. So if we can make them cheaper. Is it raining? We just arrived at the storage unit. This is where we do uncle stuff now in this dungeon. Dungeon 2.0. What the fuck happened to our carpet? Did you spill something? Sketch.
I think it's when you were.
I mean, it's not the cleanest thing in the world, but it's cute. So we pack orders there. We just need to get some stuff still, but it's not bad. Definitely better than my apartment. So we're in Home Depot right now, and we're getting some shelving, hanging, clothing rack, and then basically our unit's like done. Ish, yeah. Ish.
Other days, I can't remember when other.
And I'm drinking water. Sorry about the plastic. I usually don't drink out of a plastic bottle, but I had it in my house. Okay, we got the stuff, and now we're building it. Have you guys missed Sharon? Clothing rack is made.
No, look at mine.
Honestly, Sharon's is way more impressive. Okay, it's like lunchtime now, so I'm gonna eat my lunch that I brought. So I made like a shawarma style. My hands are so dirty, ew. A shawarma style bowl. It's very Very delicious. I wish I had hummus to add, but I don't. So I'm gonna eat this, continue drinking water, and then we're gonna finish up here.
There's still so many V-necks too, I forgot.
I know. People don't like V-necks, but I love V-necks. I did emails this morning. I already have 15. Anything.
Have a buy this?
Yeah. So here are our little things with inventory. Extra small, small, medium, large, extra large. And then we have our patterns and everything over here, our fabric, and then just a bunch of random shit that we have to organize still. And this is our unit. I'm gonna have to eat something else. That wasn't enough.
Oh yeah, I look slender.
I like pulled out to go exit before my exit, and I couldn't see the woman, and so I just pulled out, and this woman in the Mercedes was coming in so fucking hot, like going 130 down the exit lane, like it was nuts. So my car is just shit. I couldn't speed up, I can't speed up that fast. So I pulled out, but I had already I had committed. She slams on the horn. I look in my rear mirror, and she's going like this, screaming and going like this to their head, and I went like this, pulled out, and went around me, and while she came around me, she was screaming, and I went like this.
She was going like this.
You could tell she was fucking screaming in the car. And then I went down the exit, and I pulled up right beside her and undid my window and looked at her, and she just wouldn't even make eye contact.
And then we made up an entire fake story about her.
Yeah, I really wish I wanted to tell her she should just maybe calm down a little bit.
Yeah, people love that.
Yeah, I know. And I'm gonna make some guac. It's a snack I've been liking a lot. You need cilantro, a lime. What are these beets? They're very dry. These are done. Where are the avocados?
I feel like you made guac.
There's only 4 avocados?
I think so, yeah. Avocado.
Okay, we got the avocados.
We?
Joey got them. We're gonna use one. These are very large GMO avocados.
Extra GMO, please.
You need a jalapeno.
Oh, it's like a HelloFresh meal.
That was so aggressive. What the fuck, you were shopping?
Okay, so this is the guac. So I'm gonna eat this because they're leaving.
Wait, when are you going? Monday?
Monday.
Leave us here Sunday and Monday, but I feel like Sunday's hell for you.
It's Father's Day, but we'll see.
Oh shit, it is Father's Day.
But I'm down to make something work.
Okay, well let me know.
Hi, sugar. I guess this is the last time you see you today.
You're gonna see him tomorrow. Okay, let's go, Smelly. Bye, Allegra.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Alright, Sharon and Joey just went to one of our seamstress who makes our samples. This guac is so good. I'm so good at making guac, it's crazy. If there's one thing I'm really good at, it's making guac. Guac right now is my favorite snack. Also, if you guys are interested in seeing my recipe for my guac, I make a very basic guac, no tomatoes, just avocados, and just the amounts and stuff I put in. Let me know, and I'll just make a blog post on it really easy. Quickly before I go, I actually just want to talk to you about this little program. Nespresso's new red bag program, which is available in everywhere in Canada except BC and Quebec. But what it basically is you know that Nespresso capsules are made out of aluminum and are recyclable. So this little red bag you can get at with every Nespresso Club order, or they're available at the Nespresso boutique stores as well. And all you have to do is throw your capsules in here and then drop it into a Canada Post mailbox, and Canada Post will ship it back to Nespresso for you, and they can recycle them. Super easy and simple. I love that Nespresso's making just easier ways to recycle. It's really great, and it gives you the whole how the process works on the bag. They have a prepaid thing on it. You just fill out your name and your address, and then you take this little sticker off so you have the tracking. And there you go. I actually decided I'm going to walk to the post office to do this. change into something a little nicer. I might actually untuck the back of this. I get it's summer, but I don't know, today's like a weird day. It's like warm, but very humid. Use that crazy amount of mess in the background, but I got some parcels that I just want to show you before I leave. Honestly, now that I'm on the benefit mailing list, it's amazing. I love benefit product, and I wasn't on the mailing list before, and I would be so jealous. Oh my god, they just sent me that foundation I showed you this morning. This is so perfect. So I'm gonna go traveling literally on Monday. They sent me their mascaras, which if you guys know me, you know I love Roller Lash, and I used to use their Real all the time. I haven't tried the Bad Gal Bang yet, so thank you, Benefit. Oh my god, what is this? Oh, some Vichy stuff. Just like a little Vichy package. That's so cute. Thank you. I also got my favorite purple bag to get. I love Caudalie so much, you guys have no idea. Oh, so they have like a collab with Blush, which is like lingerie, and I got the underwear and little bralette. So cute, I love that. And then they gave me their cream as well. Love that. I don't have time to show you the full things. I literally have to go right now. Today has been a busy day. Oh, baby. These were on sale on Essence. They're Common Projects. They were like $200 off. And you literally never see Common Projects, especially the white ones, on sale. So I bought them because they were on sale. Okay, we gotta go. Am I gonna be hot in the sweater? Probably. But I didn't have time to think of an outfit or redo my makeup. So this is what's happening. Look at that frizzy hair. I'm in the tailor. I go to Magic Tailor in Toronto. It's like near the Eden Center. And I have like 3 pairs of pants I need them to do. Classic. I have to get every single pair of pants taken in. Okay, so we're at Mercado and I'm just having a glass of wine. This is not normal. I don't usually drink, but with my mom. And then I'll have dinner after. Right now, wine. I just had the funniest interaction with someone. I was like stuck in the middle of an intersection driving, like where I'm driving right now, just stuck in the middle of an intersection, my window's down. She was like, I love your videos. I'm like, oh, I probably look really pissed off right now. But hi to the person who I just met while I was in the middle of an intersection. Not exaggerating when I'm saying it was like the apocalypse downtown coming home. It was crazy, oh my god. And I didn't have any form of payment on me to pay for parking, so I had to pay in quarters. I have like change in my car that I give to homeless people. Like I always have like a big thing of change, and I had to use all the change to pay for parking because I couldn't get out of the parking lot. I have these little zit patches on my face, so if you see those, that's what I have on my face. Testing them out, see if they work. I took off all my makeup, sort of. I just used a wipe. One of the like, I don't have these like biodegradable wipes. Now I'm gonna make dinner. I got home way later than I thought. I was gonna work out, then do dinner. I think I'm gonna do dinner and then do an at-home workout now. It's about 7 o'clock. 7:30? I don't know. But since I did have a glass of wine, I'm gonna keep drinking water. I always like counteract my wine with water so that I don't feel like shit. Time to make dinner. There's something on my screen that looks like I have something on my face. As most of you know, I use a meal delivery service. Just something that works for me. I've used one for almost a year now, on and off. You can like skip weeks. Okay, it's really cold. You can like skip weeks and stuff. So right now I'm using HelloFresh. So right now for dinner, I'm gonna do the peach chicken, whatever. Joey and I are taking a night off tonight. That just means that we're not having a sleepover. We do that because if we don't do that, we end up sleeping at each other's houses every night and then getting annoyed with each other because we spend so much time together because we work together as well. So just how our relationship works, we take nights off. I'm gonna make dinner. I'm gonna watch The Bachelorette because I get to have a little girls' night. Probably gonna do a face mask later and, you know, be greasy. Thanks. This is what dinner's supposed to look like. Let's see what my dinner ends up looking like. Okay, I'm wearing something different because I feel bad. I actually feel guilty. My friend came down with his 3-legged dog and I just went down to say hi to it. Okay, so dinner. I'm having dinner now. Pretty good. I mean, this obviously looks better, but pretty good. I have some leftovers for tomorrow, some rice there. So I'm gonna eat this while I finish The Bachelorette. I never know when chicken is cooked. So, could get salmonella. I'm really weird about chicken. Like, my biggest fear is eating raw chicken. So it's just really like chicken, zucchini, rice, and onion. There's some cilantro in the rice. Check in with you guys after I'm done this meal. Is this for real? Like, how did this even happen? I just dropped it. Just dropped it. When you try to adult. I actually really lost track of the time. Like, everything was just a bit later than I thought. So it's actually like 10:30 now. I'm gonna wait for this food to digest a little bit, and then I might do an at-home workout. I did work out yesterday, I think, so not too concerned if I don't get a workout in today, and then I'll just work out tomorrow. Just because it is so late and working out like really close to bed, I just can't sleep after it. So we'll see. See how I feel in about like half an hour. But the last thing that I have during the day, I make sure that I hit about 2.5 liters of water a day. I track on my water usually, but I also just had a liter water bottle today, so it's super easy. I usually drink a tea. These teas are the ones I've been loving. I love the Yogi Calming Tea and the Yogi Stomach Ease Tea. I just like love these teas. I think they taste so good. I honestly feel like this one actually makes me tired, and I actually feel like this one helps my stomach. Probably libido. Wow. Libido is your sex drive. That's all I am eating today. That was a very realistic what I eat in a day. I think I like, tell me if you like the vlog style or really just like seeing the meals. I think I like vlog style because you can see like how active I was, like what I did, you know, like I probably, if I had done the what I eat in a day normally, like I wouldn't have included that glass of wine because like I don't usually have that every day, but you know, today I did, and I just kind of went with the flow. I like the realistic ones, I think. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. You guys are just, I don't know, I'm feeling the love lately, and I feel like I needed that because I was kind of in the valley, and I feel like I'm coming up on a peak. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't followed me on Instagram already, please do so. That's where I can connect with you the most. Other than that, thanks for watching. Peace and love. Love you all. Bye.